Hi guys, I'm Jones Crasto here. Deep sea mining threatens ocean life's hidden world. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for elite insights on defense, war, jets, missiles, submarines, and geopolitics. Follow on Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. New scientific research has revealed that deep sea mining is the process of extracting valuable minerals from the ocean floor could unleash devastating consequences on one of Earth's least explored yet most vital ecosystems. The ocean's twilight zone, this mysterious layer located between 200 to 1000 meters below the surface, supports billions of organisms that recycle nutrients and regulate the planet's climate. The study warns that mining waste, plumes, and sediment clouds could drift into this delicate region, smothering life forms, disrupting food chains, and damaging global carbon cycles. Scientists caution that such disruption could have irreversible consequences for marine biodiversity and stability of our planet's ecosystems. Environmental groups are calling for stronger international regulations and moratoriums before deep sea mining activities expand further. Source: The Guardian,